In this video, I want to just demonstrate really quickly how to take a backup of your database. So you just log in. I've logged in SiteGround. I'm looking at my PHP MyAdmin. I'm just going to click on the database I want. I want to click actually on the database name up here on the left. So I click on the database and I see all my tables. So I'm just going to do an export. So I click export. And instead of just doing a quick export, I want to do a custom export, leave the format as SQL, that's fine. But I got to make sure that I have the structure and the data. That way it'll keep all the foreign key relationships I have. I scroll down and I just leave all the defaults. You don't need to create the database because you'll already have the database created. And just leave all these default checks and just click go. And then you'll notice that the actual file gets put, it just downloads down on the bottom left. And then to do the import, to put it back, if it fails, you just drop all the tables. Okay, so you go back to structure, you'll select all the tables, and you'll drop them. Okay, you might have to do it more than once. If there's foreign key relationships, it's got to drop the first table before it can drop the second. Then you'll just do an import at that point. Select the file that you just did, and then hit go. Leave all the other stuff checked, and then hit go, and it'll work. Okay, there's just a couple minutes on how to do a database backup.